Hey y'all, got something really nice here from Pickled Steel Knives. This is a knife company out of South Africa. Y'all may or may not have heard of them, but they are coming on the scene strong with some really nice knives. Let's have a look. It comes wrapped in plastic. Got cleaning cloth. Got extra pocket clip, extra screws, and a pivot tool. Really nice. Always good to have. Now let's look at the knife. This is the Rhino. This is a really nice knife. Nice black micarta covers. Got a deep carry pocket clip that's inset and reversible. Got a lanyard hole. Nice beautifully polished liners. Got some nice jimping on the blade. Got flipper tab deployment. Nice jimping on the flipper tab. Very grabby. Got some nice barrel thumb studs. Really nice. And let's look at the blade. Check it out. That is a fine looking blade. A lot of thought went into this blade, I think. Now this blade is 3.58 inches long, or 91 millimeters. The overall length of the knife is 8.14 inches, or 207 millimeters. The blade width is 1.1 inches, or 28 millimeters. Blade thickness, 3.5 millimeters, or 14 thousandths of an inch. Nice sized blade, not too thick, not too thin. I think that's just about right for many tasks. Very strong blade, 14C 28N blade steel. And you can see the name Rhino. Got pickled steel emblem on the other side. Nice brush satin finish. Flat grind. Nice wedge. Now this cutout, I love that. You got the jimping right there for a normal grip. Really nice. If you want to choke up on it, your thumb goes right in there. Isn't that nice? That's really cool. And if you pinch grip, your finger goes in there really nice too. Get those precision cuts going. Get those push cuts going, those pull cuts. Nice slicer. Really nice. I think this knife would be right at home in your everyday carry. Not too heavy, but it's got some heft to it, but it's not chunky. So I think it may also be good out there in the woods, doing some of them camping tasks, feathering wood. But yeah, very nice point on that blade. I like a pokey blade. Liner lock, very nice. Drop shutty action. Nice anodized ring around pivot. Nice accent. Looks like a captive pivot. Very nice. Lockup is pretty good. Got nice chamfering on the liner lock. Pretty easy to get to. Overall, I think it's a really great knife. I mean, it's a good hefty knife, but it's not too bad as far as weight goes. I like the full four finger grip. I like the chamfering in the liners. Very nice. I love that drop shutty action. So folks, I'd like to hear your thoughts on the Pickled Steel Rhino. If you want to, you can check out their website at www.pickledsteel.co.za, and there you can see the knives they have available here in the United States. I've ordered a knife that is going to be coming from South Africa, so there's a little bit of a wait, but the ones that are here available in the United States you can get really quick, no problem. There you have it, folks. Pickled Steel Rhino. What do you think? Cool knife. I like it. Alright, y'all. Come this far, appreciate if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that very much. And remember, y'all, live life on the edge. Stay sharp. Bye, y'all.